Brothers Bistro, Hot Bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success. Come on, buddy!
I'm coming.
All right, this is our gym day.
That's right. I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Clark Brothers, and we've got a hot bite for you.
That's right. Happy Mother's Day.
What are we bringing Mom for Mother's Day?
We're bringing her something super special. Every gal loves a six-pack.
Wow, okay,
Right?
what is it? I'm curious.
Well, we're going to walk them through 4 quick exercises that'll give them that six-pack.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna work on your abs so you can bring that six-pack home to Mama.
So, Kev's going to demonstrate. Right. I'm going to narrate, because that's what we do best. And I'm going to kind of talk you through some of these tips as he goes through the motions and demonstrates. All right? So we've got a little bench here, but you can do this on the floor if you need to. So the first exercise is, notice, it's just, we call it a crunch, right? It's just a fairly short movement. He's lifting straight up, and then he's going to do 5 of those, and he's going to migrate to over the knee crunch. Similar kind of thing. After he does 5 of those, he's going to do what we call a reverse crunch. He's going to do 5 of those. And then the last exercise is the skyscrapers. So he puts his legs up and he lifts his bum up off the mat a little bit, and he does 5 of those, and voila, done. And that takes about 30 seconds or so to do the whole thing, and then you give yourself a little bit of rest in between, right?
Yeah, start off slow. Just do a set or 2, take a break, and see how you feel the next day. Start off maybe 3 days a week, but you can definitely do these every day, and they're great.
Yeah. So, let us know how it goes for you. We're looking forward to hearing from you.
Brothers Bistro, out.